To change the theme in Reaper, you'll have to go to options, themes, and right here you have a few options. So you can switch between them. I guess these are the older versions. And I like the default one the best. And this gives you a good starting base. And then you can make further changes with the theme adjuster. And right here we'll go to global settings first. So you can make it lighter, you can change the gamma, make it lighter, darker. You can change highlights, midtones, shadows, etc. Saturation, tint, and you can do quite a lot of changes right here. Then you can go to custom colors. We'll insert a few new tracks, and with custom colors you can change the color of each of these tracks and mixes as well. So what you have to do is choose the palette that you like. We'll go with the cool one. And now you need to choose a particular track, and you're gonna choose a color for that track. So for the first one, I'll choose the first one, and then we go respectively. For each track, we'll assign a color. Now we have this palette, and also what you can do, you can keep clicking this recolor project button, and you can go between similar versions of this palette, and then you can also switch to another palette and do the same stuff and figure out which one you like the best. So I'll just stick with this one, I guess. And also here you can change all the details like text brightness. You can make it darker, you can make it brighter. I kind of like it bright, I guess. You can again adjust the custom color track labels. Maybe I can't adjust this one, but you can adjust the color strength here. I haven't really gone through every one of these, but you can even move stuff around here, change the gaps and all of that. I just trust the way it is already, so I don't want to tweak it too much. And then if we go back to global settings, you can also click this button. So now if you make any changes here with the tint, for example, it will change these palettes as well. If you uncheck it, it will maintain them as it is, but it will change like the meter, the knobs, and I guess the meter and knobs and all the interface stuff. I'll just reset it. I like it like this. And now you can turn it off. Now, if you close Reaper at this point and then open it back again, everything you've done won't be saved. So make sure you go to File and save this project. So I'll just save, override this file, I guess. And then once you save it, that's not really enough. Still, you have to go to Options, Preferences, and go to Project right here. Probably by default, you'll end up in General. So go to Project, click Browse, choose that template that you've created, click Apply, click OK. And now every time you create a new project, it will look the same. It will look just the way you made it. And this is how you change the theme and adjust it to your liking in Reaper.